Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I remain Paramdi Marshall. Today I will be teaching you how to edit your videos that you can get views on Facebook and followers. If you check out my Facebook page, you will see I have 183,000 followers, which I kept saying that. And if you check out my videos, you will see how I edit my videos. I got views on my Facebook. So I will be showing you the secret I use, how I edit my videos and make them perfect. So I use this my phone to make a videos and I edit it like a pro. So what are you waiting for? Let's go into it. In this lesson, I'll be using InShoot. So if you don't have InShoot on your phone, then go into Play Store. First by Play Store. Go into Play Store and download InShoot. If you go into Play Store, then search for InShoot. So it's here. Then if you don't have it, then click on download to download. But here I already have it, so I will just go into it. Let me open it on my phone. Okay. So if you open it, you see something like this. Then you click on here, videos. Then click on add new. So these are the videos I made so far. So let's say let me pick this video and let's say this one and this one. So let me select from here like this. And let's go. Okay. It will load a little bit. Then you click on filters. You will see this feature, these features. You will see these features here. Then click on adjust. Okay. This is here you will say lightness, this lightness, then adjust it. Let's say adjust it to 20 or let's say 25. I say 25. Then contract, reduce the contract a little bit. Then warm, reduce it a little bit here. Then thin, reduce it a little bit. Then saturated, then add the saturated on. Okay. See the way your face shows. Then reduce this one again. Okay. Then let's go again. Let's go. Your highlights, then reduce it to shadow. So okay, you reduce your shadow like this. Okay, okay. Then here, let's increase it more. So let's see a little bit here. Oh, this people. And okay, see how my face showed. So you see these two good and this one. If you click on these two good, that means all the editing will transfer to the rest of the video clip you added. But if you click on only this good, that means, let me click it. You see, only this clip is being edited while the rest are not edited. But still, you can still add the edited clip to the other one. Click on the edited clip, click on adjust, then click on this good here, this double good. See, apply to all, then apply to all. Okay, that means all the videos, all the editing has been added to the rest of the videos. Okay, then we click on here, good. Okay. Then there are some features here in which you can make your video perfect. Let's say you want to put transparency or some things like that. If you click on this pencil here, okay, you see this one is transparent. You see how bet max. You bet max. Click on good. Excuse me, let me off the sound. I don't want to be disturbing you guys. Okay. Then okay, let's go back. Let's click on the pencil. Then there's a lot of transition. You can click on the transition if you want, and you can see the rest of the features that we have. Yes, you can go. There's the cycle one. That's the one by your side. You can try them, and they are totally for free without paying. That's why I like InShoot. You can add a lot of transition. Yeah, there's another one here. You can choose the one that you want, the one that suits your videos. You can try them if you want. That's why I use this InShoot to edit my videos. I don't spend anything. It's totally for free. I even prefer InShoot than CapCut, even though CapCut has some features, but most of them depends on data. Once you have data, some of them the features before you can use it. But InShoot, you can use them totally for free. You see all the features here. We have the slides one too. We have the light. You can still put them if you want. You can choose the one that suits your videos and put. And you can even make all the editing be one. That means you can put all the transition one at once, or you can go on and change it. Depends on your own. And this InShoot watermarks that you are seeing here, you can even remove it totally for free. Don't worry, I'll show you all these things about this to remove this thing. Just what you do to remove this watermarks, just click on it. You will see free removal art. That means you need to click on the art for it to load small before, and after clicking it, you will see it loading. You wait for a while so that it will load before your watermark will be removed. Just wait a bit. Just wait a little bit. Okay, sure. You see how the watermark has been removed. Your video now is now smooth. So after that one, you can export it. So, and you see the estimate size is 99.9 MB, and you can still reduce the sizes. You see, you can reduce the frames rate, and you can reduce the resolution too. If you click on it, you see, you can reduce it. 720p, not bad. You can still use it. Then click on export. Just wait for it to load or to 100. Okay, let's wait patiently for it to still loading. Your video will be converting. This InShoot is very good for most Facebook beginners or YouTube beginners. You can use it to be editing your videos if you don't have any money to purchase any pro editing like CapCut. But even with this InShoot, they also have their own pro. You can still purchase it for further features. In our next video, I'll be showing you some of the features in InShoot that you can use it to get your sound, some of the sounds, your viral comedy sounds. Okay, everything has been saved. That's it. Okay, so thank you for waiting to the end of this video. If you have any further questions that you want to ask or any question, you can just drop your questions in the comment section so that we'll discuss. If you have any challenges, you can just tap me in the comment section. I will help you with all that you needed. So please subscribe to my channel so that you get notification of any video I post again. Thank you.